Hey everybody, I'm Joe Hudson. I'm the founder of Art of Accomplishment, and I'm a coach to a lot of CEOs and leaders in Silicon Valley. What this whole channel is dedicated to is applied self-awareness. And what I mean by applied self-awareness is understanding what motivates you, understanding what you're good at. It also means that you understand how to change the things about yourself that are causing you pain. Applied means, how does that relate to being a great parent, or being a great CEO, or starting a business, or being an artist? The end result of applied self-awareness, besides accomplishing a whole bunch of great things in the world, is that you learn to love yourself more. And as you learn to love yourself, you love others more easily and you love the world more easily. So this content is all about things from how to start a project, to how to approach a transformational journey, how to deal with your emotions, how to deal with procrastination, and whatever else you want to see from us. Please give us comments so that we can be interactive with you and we can deliver stuff that's really useful for you.